Welcome back to the Stone House. It's good to see you. Haven't really been working on the house a lot. I had some other things to do. But we're gonna do a little bit of demo today. It's Sunday. The other day, I think it was Friday though, Sarah and I did, in fact, finish as much as we can for the subfloor upstairs. So I'll show you that. I kind of want to get that going because it's like 23 degrees in here. I don't think I have a lot of gas left. I did as much as I could because, as you know and as I've said, we're going to leave this open for a little while so I can get materials up here quicker, still using the stairs before we take them out. The floor up here, well, I should say the whole building up here is not perfectly square. So when I put in this first piece, I probably should have been more careful because then I ended up having to kind of cut and adjust this one, which then the other ones went in a little easier, but it still wasn't amazingly amazing. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't matter. It's up here, it's strong. When you're walking around, it just seems very solid. I think we can talk design for a little bit. I might put this in the video. Sarah and I have discussed this briefly. Okay, you know that this is the hallway to the other side of the house. I'll show what that looks like now from the stone side. So that hallway is probably 7 to 8 feet deep, and we're thinking we're gonna extend the wall for the hallway right through here, and we're gonna go towards that window, either here or maybe here, right? And that whole space there will be a bathroom. As far as bathroom layout goes, we know that the stand-up shower has to go here because of just the way the ceiling is, right? You got the slant the whole way. So the shower probably has to go here. As far as getting into that bathroom, we are going to not put the door in this hallway. We're going to put the door on this wall here. So that way when I'm in our bedroom here, we'll be able to just enter into the bathroom from our bedroom, and this will just look like a hallway. Now, back to this hallway. With my back to the hallway, when we come through, we'll have a wall through here for the bathroom, and then there's going to be a wall that goes all the way across here probably. I say probably because we're not 100% sure yet. So the wall is going to go across, and you're going to have a door, and that door is going to go into our bedroom. This space here, which is small, maybe 9 or, yeah, it's probably like 9 by 7. We'll probably incorporate that window, and that will be kind of like a landing because you'll come through the hallway just into this little room, but it will be kind of set up like an office. And I think it will be adequate enough for me to have a desk and a computer and stuff, and it's kind of separated. I don't know. I don't work from home, but if I ever want to or do or whatever, it's nice to have a separate space for that. And then back to that wall, I kind of want to just have it be one big open L-shaped room. So then that window is also in our bedroom. We clearly have these dormer pop-outs, and they're nice. You know, it's nice to be able to look out and see the garden. And over here, as I just said, you know, it's nice to look out and see the front of the house. The thing is like Sarah and I, like, hold on, we'd love to extend these to make them really long bump outs and put more windows, but I don't like to pay people to do things, and I don't know if cutting ceilings, I don't know if that's in my bag of tricks. I kind of want to do it. I want to try. Just like we've done the whole rest of the house over there. If we're not sure about something, we just kind of ignore it. We put it in the back of our mind and move on with other things. And eventually, if I take 6 months, if I take a long time to really think about it, eventually we'll come to the decision that's best for us. I talk budget often, so I think it'd be easy for most people to know that watch the channel for a long time. Like, budget matters here. We don't have an unlimited budget. Well, we don't have a budget, right? Like, I don't add things up and do, I mean, we just do it all out of pocket, and it takes time to do such things. But to spend so much money on a huge modification, if I do that, it could end up compromising something else, right? So I try to take it all into account. The code inspector just got here. Before we talk to the code inspector, I want to take a second here because I've got this really fun opportunity for everybody. If you'd like to try to win one of these Bluetti power boxes, they are offering me that opportunity for my subscribers. So they're going to be giving away from this video a EB3A. I'll show a picture of that. It's one of the smaller ones, but I'll tell you, you can do a lot with one of these. They're really cool. Bluetti's been a pretty big supporter of this channel, and this will be the first time that I've ever done some sort of a giveaway. So in order to win this, I've been thinking of how we could do it, and I think what we should do is make a comment on the video of what you would use it for, and then everybody read those comments and you can like your own comment, obviously, but like other people's comments, whoever you think has got a good comment, whether it be funny or useful or whatever. And whoever has got the most likes on their comments after, we'll say like 4 or 5 days or something like that, that person will win. Now, just remember, you're going to have to send me, an email. You're going to have to prove your name on YouTube. You're going to have to obviously give me your address and stuff, but then they will ship you this thing directly. So if that's something that you're interested in, go ahead and leave a comment on what you would use it for. These little power boxes are awfully useful. I use them all the time. Very, very cool. So go ahead and do that if you're interested. So what are we doing today?
Making a mess.
We're going to make a huge mess.
Just went to the store. We bought new masks. These are pretty much the best ones you can get. And because of the design of the canisters, it's actually a lot easier to breathe, which is nice. It's a good time to have something like this because this is going to get gross. Surprisingly good shape.
And then nest.
I think it's like a mini skirt.
Yeah.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Very nice. In the mouse nest, a piece of wire. I wonder where that came from. Ooh! It's like a sock. Underwear? What is this? Okay, so this is pretty cool. I'm gonna get a date on this, I bet. It's a New York Times.
very short video. This was really just to be able to announce this Bluetti competition thing. I had a very short time frame. I did share with you everything we did this weekend though, which wasn't a lot. Just some demo. We're going to be getting into framing very soon though. As always, thanks so much for stopping in and keeping track of us and our project here, our little project here. That's been going on for 6 years. Really appreciate all of you, your comments, your support. We feel it from thousands of miles away. Thank you so much. So until next time, have a good week, everybody.
What's your soul saying? Oh, is your world changing? Oh, what's your soul saying? Oh, is your world changing? Your